Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create a motion blur effect with CapCut PC. So you can find motion blur effect in the CapCut mobile version, but you cannot find this motion blur like mobile version. But you can create the motion blur with the effect. So for example, you can see, just select effects, select distortion, and select this effect, which is shadow flow. Okay, this is effect. You have to join progress to be able to use this effect. So upload download, just add to the track and just for duration assembly. And you can adjust for the option right here, and you can see for the final result. You can motion blur, you can find motion blur. Okay, in another way you can go to lens effect, scroll down until you find the motion blur, just click. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.